Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a paneer tikka pizza. So let's start. So here I have taken half cup of lukewarm water, half tablespoon of sugar and quarter tablespoon of instant yeast and 3/4 cups of all-purpose. Proof the yeast for 10 minutes, then add 3/4 cups of flour. Then we should add 1 tablespoon of milk powder, quarter tablespoon of salt, and then mix it. Here I have an electric beater, so I am doing with it. You can do with your hands, but if you are doing with your hands, just put a little bit oil on your hands, and that will do. Okay, good. So I am beating it in the low speed, because if you beat it in the high speed, the dough will not be so good. So here's one guys. Do not add salt to yeast directly. If you add it, it will not be good. So here I am taking some amount of water. You can take if you need it. And again I am mixing it with the electric beater. Electric beater will do good, but you don't have not an issue. So I have covered it. I'm going to cover it with a damp cloth and keep it aside for the 45 minutes. And now I'm gonna make the paneer tikka for the pizza. So you should cover it nice. So let's start with the paneer tikka. Let's get a plate, and I've chopped some cottage cheese. There's 2 tablespoons of curd. You can see it on the screen and in the description. And there is 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, then quarter teaspoons of chili powder. If you can add more chili powder if you like it. Then the next ingredient is garam masala. So here is half teaspoon of garam masala, and now I am going to mix it with hands. You should do it only using your hands. Make sure the paneer is coated with all the ingredients that you have first poured in the powder mixture. Make sure you coat it very well, or else the cottage cheese will not be nice in the paneer tikka pizza and it will be raw. Now keep this aside for also 45 minutes scarred. After 45 minutes, I have taken a rolling area. Going to apply some corn flour as much as you need it. Spread it and take the dough. You made it once and flat it like a bread. Make sure the corners are facing like this. I have done many attempts. It will not be okay on first attempt. You should apply more corn flour because the dough should not be sticky. If the dough is sticky, then it will not be as good as it is. So I am applying some more corn flour. Don't apply too much corn flour. The dough should not come like this. If it comes, add more and more corn flour. Sorry for that, I added more corn flour than I needed. If you want it perfectly round, you can do it using a pizza tin. I am doing it with my hands. dough like this and flatten it. Don't use a rolling pin, it will not be okay. Now see, I have flattened it. Sorry for the rolling pin, but I didn't use it. You should align the borders like this for a better impact. It should be like a whole structure in it. You should do it both the sides, so it will be so very tasty. It is a New York style pizza, not an Indian type one, because who doesn't love New York pizzas? Okay, now I am preheating the oven to 180 degrees. Both the rods on and for 10 minutes. Make sure to preheat the oven. And now I applied some ghee. You can apply also butter, but it should be room temperature. And now I am seasoning it with some flour for the non-stick coating. Now I have kept the pizza, applying some wine grains pizza pasta sauce. It is so good that I recommend you to buy it. And now I am spreading it with my spoon. You should not do it with hands, because in hands you may have so dirty that will affect the pizza. So do like it. I have done. Make sure the sauce is evenly coated. Like this. This is okay. So next, add some room temperature cheese to it. Shred it like this. Shred it like this. Now I am going to put some cheese links on it. Links will more bring elastiness in your pizza. And now add some onions. Actually, more the vegetables, more the taste. That's only I added so much cottage cheese in it. Now add some capsicum. I am using green bell peppers. You can also use any colors you want. And you can use also olives. This is a paneer tikka pizza, so I am not using the olives. Because in olives it will spoil the taste of paneer and dominate it. And now I am putting the cottage cheese into the pizza. You don't need to roast it. Actually, the cottage cheese tastes much more than you think. And now again cheese. and again some links. Actually, links makes much more sense than you think. Okay, now hit it. Please, thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe and